Hello, what's up? My name's Thomas from Unity303.com. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to swap out an LCD maybe that's broken, or say you have a matted LCD and a matte LCD and you want a glossy LCD. You can order one from laptopscreen.com, for example, and they're like 50-60 bucks to replace, at least for this laptop, the Lenovo Thinkpad E520 Edge, 15.6 inches. All you have to do is you go online and you tell them the number, the model number of the LCD. The way to find the model number is actually very easy. It's on the LCD itself. So there's 4 spots where you have to remove the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's pretty easy to do. You just have to remove these little rubber bumper things. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's usually not that easy, but I just kind of loosened them up before I did this tutorial. So that's that. Then you got these screws over here. Unscrew them. It's 1. 2. 3. 4. Okay, it's probably a good idea to keep something like this origami box that I made, so that you don't lose these screws or rubber things ever, because if you do, then you're kind of screwed. In any case, you will need to kind of detach this bezel right here. I don't know if you call it a bezel, but it's a plastic piece that keeps the thing together and keeps it all nice. They snap off. It takes a little bit of effort when you get the first snap to try to get the first one snapped off, but the rest come off easy. So there you have it. There's this thing. Put it off to the side. Now there's 4 more screws that hold in the LCD in place to these metal hinges. So let's take those off. 1. 2. If you possibly can, you need to have a screwdriver that is magnetized, if you can have get one. Or you can magnetize it yourself by tapping it against a magnet like 100 times, and it will become magnetized. Or you can pick up the screw, and the screw will stay to your screwdriver. To keep it from falling all over the place or into the cracks of the keyboard or whatever. Oh my god. I just lost my screw. This is the type of thing you don't want happening. Thankfully I'm on a big desk. Alright, so there it is. There's my 4th screw. And this is gonna come up. This is gonna come out with no effort. Here it is. It's attached here to the video cable for the LCD for the laptop. Just be careful not to mess with these cables. These cables themselves cost like 60 bucks from IBM Lenovo, so you don't want to break these or anything, and they're relatively fragile. When you pull out the LCD, you'll notice over here, that's really bad, I'll take a picture of it later, but basically you'll notice over here it says LP156WH4 TLB1, and that's the model number of this LCD. This is the only thing that you need to give, the only information you need to give to laptopscreen.com in order for them to know which screen will be compatible with your laptop. So you give them that number, you order the part with them. They're very good on getting back to you, like they'll get back to you within the day. You can even call them or whatever, they're pretty helpful. And then of course they want to sell you something, so. But so you can swap this out, you order it, and then it comes in the mail like this or whatever. And here it is, and it's pristine state. Looks a little bit different on the back, but it'll work just the same. So here we go, we're gonna plug it in, the VGA cable, the video cable, rather, and then attach it like that. And it may help to add a piece of tape to make sure that it doesn't come loose here, just in case for whatever reason. So there we go, and all we need to do is screw everything back. But before we do, we of course want to test to make sure that the screen turns on. And looks good. Here it is, my lovely screen that's no longer matte but now glossy, just like the MacBooks are. Alright, so we just checked to make sure that everything was on. Make sure you turn it back off before you do any screwing around. Let's go shut this down. Okay. Get that right here. I'll start with the top one since it's easier. There we go. Get to the bottom one here. It helps if I pull it out just a tad bit so that I can align the screw. Come on. Great. I've got it in. Okay. Number 4. Gotta be careful about this one. Because the plastic's in the way. Alright, that's screwed in. Alright, this is all screwed in. We snap in this plastic piece on the front of the LCD. Make sure it's good and tight everywhere. Looks good there. Make sure it's good there. There we go. Alright, now the final screws and then the rubber pieces. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, to put back on our rubber pieces and rubber stoppers, bumpers. And at this point, you have now replaced your broken / old / matte LCD with a new one of your choosing. There you have it.